In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a webhook in Zoho CRM. A webhook lets Zoho CRM send information to another app the moment something happens, so you can automate handoffs, alerts, or integrations without manual effort. We'll build a simple example that triggers whenever a new lead is created and sends the data to an external URL. Start on your Zoho CRM home screen and open Settings by clicking the Setup gear icon in the top right. In the Settings page, head to the Automation section and choose Workflow Rules. This is where we define when something should happen and what action to take. Create a new workflow rule, then choose the module it should apply to. For this demo, select Leads. Give your rule a clear name, like Sample Rule, so you can recognize it later. If it helps your team, add a short description explaining why this rule exists. That context is useful when you come back to it in the future. Continue to the next screen. Now define when the rule should run. Choose to trigger the rule based on a record action and set it to fire on Create. That means the workflow will run as soon as a new lead is added to the system. Move forward to Criteria. For a quick test, apply it to all leads. In a real setup, you can narrow this to only certain sources, owners, or segments. Confirm and proceed. With the trigger ready, add the action. Select Webhook. Give the webhook a name, such as Sample Webhook, and again, add a description if you want to capture its purpose. Choose the HTTP method POST, which is standard for sending data to another service. Paste the destination URL provided by your receiving app or integration platform. Make sure it's a valid, secure address, preferably using HTTPS. If your endpoint expects specific formatting or authentication, ensure those are handled according to your integration's requirements. When you're done, save and associate the webhook with the workflow, then save the workflow itself. You'll return to the Workflow Rules list, where you can open your new sample rule to review everything in one place. From here on, whenever a lead is created, Zoho CRM will send the payload to your URL automatically. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep names and descriptions consistent so teammates know what each item does, and coordinate with whoever owns the receiving endpoint to confirm the data format. Monitoring logs on the destination side can help verify deliveries and troubleshoot quickly. That's it. Your webhook is ready and tied to your lead creation process. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.